Hey everyone, so today I'm going to change oil on my 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. So the first thing I need to do is to raise the front of the vehicle. Alright, next thing we need to do is remove these bolts. They're a 10mm. I've got 4 up here in the front, and looks like 4 back here, and then there's 2 more back there, so a total of 10. Okay, with the under panel removed, now I can determine where the drain plug location is, and it's right here, and that is an 8mm, so I'll go ahead and remove that. Alright, next we can move on to removing the oil filter. In order to remove the housing for your oil filter, you're going to need a socket, which is I believe it's a 36. Yeah, there you go. You need a 36mm socket to get that housing out. Now there isn't a whole lot of rust underneath this vehicle, but I've just noticed a little bit of rust developing here and here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit it with some fluid film. Now this will prevent the rust from getting any worse. And this is the new version of fluid film comes in the black color, which kind of blends in really nice with undercarriage. See a little bit of rust right there. I absolutely love this product. You basically spray this on your vehicle. You can spray it into the frames, door seals, wherever water can penetrate. This will cover it with a layer of oil, which will stick onto the vehicle for several months. I've used this on all my vehicles, especially around the winter time. I'll spray a little bit underneath the vehicle, and I do like the new black finish. Kind of blends in really nice. So you just let that oil sit. You don't rub it off. You just let it sit there and let it kind of absorb, and it'll just basically protect water from penetrating into the steel and getting contact with steel, and just to prevent rust. Alright, here's a new filter. It's a brand new filter from Napa. There's a part number. Go ahead, put this in there and screw this back onto the car. And that's about it. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one.